Hey guys, Justin Giron here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I brought back the one, the only, the gorgeous mother of mine.
Thanks for saying that, Justin.
I mean, you kind of told me to say it, so.
Wait.
So guys, in today's video, I decided to do this wedding guest makeup look because, you know, you don't want to take attention away from the bride since it is her big day, but you could make a statement showing up with this flawless makeup look, don't you say?
I agree.
Perfect. So, if you guys want to see how I transform this piece of work into this lovely gem, then you better keep on watching. Back again.
Yes. We're back again. Only because you begged me.
Anyways, so for primer today, since this is a wedding glam, we're going to use the PoreFessional by Benefit. This primer is really good for your skin. It's going to help it stay put all throughout the night.
I need that?
Yes, you do.
Oh.
And I'm just going to apply it with a flat Estee Lauder brush.
Is it mine?
No, this time it's not yours.
So why are we taking it easy on the wedding glam today?
Because since this is a wedding glam, you don't want to do like extreme harsh stuff. You want to do like a nice, natural, kind of subtle look. And since, you know, you're not the bride, you are just a guest, you still want to make a statement with how fascinating your makeup looks.
Do not do the thing on the top like last time.
Contour?
Yes.
No, I know. I'm not going to do contour on you. This is a regular soft glam. I'm not going to do that. Harsh contour, I should have learned that back then, but now since I'm getting better at what I'm doing, now I know what to do and what not to do.
Are you hitting me with your brushes?
Hitting you? What do you mean, hitting you?
That you were smacking me with the brush?
No, I'm not going to do all that. But let's get you some high coverage foundation though. So she is a huge fan of this MAC Pro Longwear foundation. And this is actually a good foundation to use in the summer because this does have SPF and it claims to be waterproof. So
I did not know that.
Yeah. So when you're out and you might have a little sweat, it'll actually absorb it in a weird way, but not look really bad on you. Do you always know to blend your foundation down to your neckline?
I haven't.
No. Because then you'll look like the actor from The Mask. Jim Carrey.
I like him.
I know. I did too. We're just gonna buff and blend. So why did you want to come back to my YouTube channel?
I'm the star of your channel. Okay. Because you have better lighting, better equipment now, and I thought that my fans...
Your fans?
Might want to see...
You mean the girls from work?
Yes, they might want to see me again. I like to wear makeup, and sometimes I wear a lot. Sometimes I don't, but I want it to be done properly today because I think it's always nice to show when you're at a wedding that you are putting your best out there because you're excited for the bride and the groom.
So for under eye, we're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this product works really good.
Why would I need concealer, Justin? My face is flawless.
Just so, you know, you don't look like you got punched in the eye or anything like that.
Damn.
JK.
Savage.
JK. No, it's just so it'll brighten up your under eye just in case if you do have like darkness or bags or redness or anything like that. It'll just help camouflage it and yet still make your foundation look smooth and flawless. Alright, now that the concealer is done, we're just going to set her under eye only because I don't want her eyes to crease throughout the day because sometimes you see people... Have you seen anyone, Mom?
Yes.
I used to be...
cracked and it looked like their makeup had been running and hungover.
Yeah, before I learned baking and setting and all that stuff, like when I first did makeup, I used to crease. And I'd always have to buff it with a blender and it just wouldn't work. But thank goodness I discovered the Laura Mercier and she's been helping me out. So, you know, Laura Mercier, if you're watching this. And then we're just gonna just set your face with just regular powder, just so it'll stay perfectly pressed.
So if you at home do not have a brow pencil, you can improvise using eyeshadow, and Justin is about to show you how.
Exactly. So we're just going to go back to this mighty palette, the Morphe 39A. Alright, so with the Morphe M207 brush, I'm going to lightly dip on this shade. This is called Cat Eye, and that's it. Because I don't want to make it too dark, just really natural. And I'm just going to tap a little bit of the fallout. And yes, we are still baking for 10... No, I'm kidding. It'll just be there for a little bit. And we're just going to brush from the bottom. And we're just going to carve her shape. See, with a shadow, you can just do light strokes and you can get that nice shape. But now we're going to finish it off on the top of the brows. And then we're just going to brush it off and blend the colors in. Kind of like that.
I like that.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It's kind of difficult to see, but just from what I can see.
Yeah, I make sure they don't look bad.
Okay. Or off.
Or off. I'm not trying to get you the McDonald's brows.
What would you say is your mom's best feature?
Your best feature?
Wow. You have to think that way.
Your lips. You and I have the same lips. Natural, plump. We don't need no collagen or anything like that. So you guys are going to see that my mom's eyebrows do look a little lighter than her natural hair color, but that's totally fine. We're going to darken it up with my Anastasia brow gel, which has tinted color in it, so it's going to help make your color go with your hair. See, and I'm just going to brush through them really gently, because if I put too much product on it, it's going to look really, really dark, and that is not what I'm trying to go for. No, you want to go for that either.
Mm-mm.
No.
I like.
Perfect.
What do you love most about your mom, Justin?
That you're my mom no matter what. You've always been my mom for 22 years.
Actually longer, because you were in there for quite a bit.
Okay. So I want her eyes to stay in place all out throughout the night. So we are going to use my favorite, the Urban Decay, what is it called? The Eyeshadow Potion Primer. And of course, this is shade Sin, because this is really, how should I say it, shimmery. And I love how it gives it that shimmer look to it. And we're just going to buff it out with a flat brush. Shout out to you, Jaclyn Hill. We love you. And Morphe.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, see all these colors, Mom. So, unfortunately, since I have the old school version, these do not have the shade names. It's totally fine, I guess. So I'm going to be taking this third brown shade from the top row, and I'm going to use it on the crease of her eyes, all up to her brow bone. We're going to be using this shade right here, and I'm going to be taking it on this new Morphe RG18 brush. You like this red on it?
Oh, that's pretty.
It was from their Christmas collection.
To do a look like this, how much time do you need to do something like that, so someone knows, like, I need 30 minutes to do my makeup, an hour to create a look like this?
Probably like 45 minutes. This is such a really easy, soft glam look, especially for this kind of occasion. And this will go for any occasion too. If you just want like a simple, nice, soft glam, not like a really hard glam that, you know, YouTubers are all trying to push on other people. This look is actually good for
first dates.
Yeah, first dates.
Going to work?
Yeah.
Or is it too much?
I mean, if you're trying to impress the boss by getting that promotion. A perfect blending trick, use as many brushes as you can, because you really want to blend out these colors. You do not want to look like someone that just puts like color on one, color on the other, color on the another, and just look really like tacky. Blending is key, so you want to blend as much as you can. We're going to be taking this very last shade over here on that flat brush that I used earlier. Look at that. The payoff is unbelievable. And we're just going to pat all on the center, close to the corner. We're going to be adding some eyeliner on her waterline, and this is her Rimmel London Scandal Eye eyeliner. Now this is hers, so I can go directly onto her eyes. Thank goodness, because I don't want to use my stuff on you. You keep blinking. Do you want to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Why you don't like to use your products on me?
Just the stuff that actually goes in my eyes, like my eyeliner, just for sanitary purpose. And my mom rapidly blinks when I try to add her eyeliner, so she's going to do it herself. So we're going to add some eyeshadow on your bottom eyes, so we're going to go back to this brown color over here.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go back with this red color as well. And I'm going to be putting it on the top of your brown color, just so those colors can look well blended. And you want to have like different colors on the bottom of your eyes. They look really nice.
So I have a question.
What's up?
Because I never know, how far down should you go when you're putting eyeshadow under your eye?
Where your eyeball ends, like kind of like right there, is where you should end your bottom eyeshadow. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some eyeliner. I'm not going to do like a crazy winged eyeliner. I'm just going to do like a nice soft cat eye eyeliner. Just going to start off by just drawing in the center. Just going to tap right there and then bring it down. And then just draw it out. So for Christmas, I had to get my mom the Roller Lash Mascara. I want her to have her experience with nice, long, flawless lashes. You can see it's freaking magic. And of course, we are back again with the Tarte lashes. This is not shade, but this is Girl Boss. Why'd you choose this one?
I don't know.
A lot better than the other one?
They look full, and since I barely have any eyelashes, I thought it might help me out.
This is brand new too. I haven't even used it. Lucky you. And then don't ever put on the lashes directly after you just added glue on them. Just let it sit for like a couple of minutes just for the glue to semi-dry down so it won't get all over your eyeshadow.
A couple of minutes or a couple of seconds?
A couple of minutes. Not a couple of seconds, because they're not even down to drying. Do they hurt?
They feel weird as hell.
Because you're never used to wearing lashes. Alright, so instead of contour, I'm just going to add some blush. And I'm going to go back with the MAC and Selena duo. Rest in peace, Selena, the queen. And I'm just going to brush it all on the Morphe G5 brush. And then I'm just going to apply it all on the apples of her cheeks. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD highlighter. My personal favorite. I'm just going to give you some strokes.
Strokes?
Yeah. Alright guys, and the last thing to do is add some lip color. So I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Chrome Collection, and this is shade Calabasas. And I would apply it directly to her lips, but I'm going to use a lip tray along with a lip brush so I can easily apply it onto her lips. And I always like to start off with the Cupid's bow, then working my way down. Alright, now we just gotta set your face with some setting spray. Bam. Alright guys, and this is the whole final look for this wedding look. Well, not technically like a bride, but you know.
Wedding guest.
There you go. So what do you think of this whole look so far?
I love it. I looked at it off camera and I think it's fantastic. I think it's perfect for this evening.
Perfect. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
If you don't, we'll keep it moving. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to Justin's channel. He gives fantastic tutorials and he's quite funny.
Thank you. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.